thanks for tuning in today. What we have on the dyno today here at CNC Motorsports is a 532 cubic inch big block Ford. This here is a complete fuel injected motor. It is one of our crate engines. Kind of give you a basic rundown of what's in this engine that we started with, and then the customer wanted several upgrades that we made, so easily accommodated. So what this is the stock 460 block, completely 100% remachined, blueprinted by CNC here. Aluminum oil pan, forged crank, forged rods, compression blueprints sell at about 10.34 to 1. All of our pump gas engines we keep at 10.5 to 1 or under, just for simplicity and ease of drivability purposes across the states. You don't have to worry about trying to find high octane gas and so on and so forth. So our custom hydraulic roller cam, this has got trick flow cylinder heads, roller rockers, Edelbrock intake manifold. What we added to this build, customer wanted fuel injection, so we added in the Holley multi-port fuel injection system with the HP software. All of the fuel injected engines that come from CNC Motorsports are tuned, so we take all the base settings and we set all the parameters. They're about 80 to 85% done. There is some tuning that is required once the customer puts it in the vehicle. Basically, you're just doing drivability tune, which we can't completely 100% narrow down because it's, there's some enrichment tables that you have to actually change and a few things like that might have to be adjusted based upon enhancing the drivability in the vehicle, whether it's automatic, 4-speed, stall converter, things like that, weight, rear end ratios. So we get them really close, and then we walk through the customers through the rest of it. We are Holley EFI certified, so we know what's going on with the Holley stuff. We're very good at it. We put them in numerous builds. Very good software. Recommend it to anybody. Any fuel injected motor that we sell out of here is going to have a Holley EFI system. We'll make some dyno pulls and go over a few things and show you the numbers. I think right now we're about 688 horsepower or so. So nice flat torque curve. So we'll make a pull and show you some numbers.